Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Ivy.
And I'm Sharon. Today we're going to be exploring something super cool, mixed reality or MR. It's like we're setting into the future.
Oh, and if you have missed our previous videos on augmented reality and virtual reality, make sure to check those out first. It will make today's adventure even more exciting for you.
I want you to imagine this, right? Surgeons in training wearing something straight out of a sci-fi movie. For example, the HoloLens 2. It projects a 3D model of the patient's body right in the middle of the actual operating room.
They can literally move and interact with this model by just waving their hands or speaking. It's like performing a surgery with a safety net and chatting with your mentors without looking away.
Exactly. Mixed reality is like magic, right? It mixes your real world with the digital wonders, making them work together as one, right? It's like literally standing with one foot in your living room and the other in a completely new digital universe.
Think of it like this. You're studying about the human body, not from a book, but from a hologram that you can just walk around and explore. That's mixed reality for you. It's a mashup of our real surroundings and digital creations interacting together in real time.
Alright, let's take a closer look as to why people call it mixed reality where AR and VR shake hands, right?
So AR is like when you can still see everything around you, but suddenly there is these cool things popping up in your space. For example, your room is still the same, but suddenly there is a cartoon cat on your desk.
Then there's VR. It's like jumping into a completely different space. Everything you hear and see is completely made up. It's like being in a movie cut off from where you actually are.
And that's where mixed reality comes in. It takes a bit of both. You have got digital stuff that can actually hang out with real stuff in your space. They can touch, move around each other, and basically it's a team up.
You're probably wondering what the magic behind mixed reality is. It's all these smart brains in these devices with sensors and systems that are always learning about your surroundings. This way, digital things can sit on your sofa, bounce off your walls, just like they're part of the family.
Right, you are, Sharon. It's all about this clever thing called spatial computing, which makes it easy to play around with digital stuff.
What is spatial computing? Spatial computing lets computers understand and interact with the 3D world around us. For instance, when you're using a special app on your smartphone to place virtual furniture in your room, the app figures out the layout of your space and lets you see how your new chair would look next to your window, as if actually it's there. And we really got to give a shout out to the brainy tech behind all of this, right? Loads of processing power and some really smart AI. These geniuses tweak what you're seeing and doing on the fly depending on where you are and what you're up to. I'm sure we're all wondering how all of this comes together. How does mixed reality even work?
Well, it starts with capturing and understanding the physical environment around us. This is done through sensors and cameras that can help us scan our surroundings.
Then, using this information, the MR device or the mixed reality device creates a digital overlay that's anchored to the real world. So when you move around now, the digital content remains perfectly placed.
And through input devices like gesture controls or voice commands, you can interact with this blended reality. The device responds in real time, making adjustment based on your actions and environmental changes.
Imagine you're a fashion designer, right? With mixed reality, you could see a virtual mannequin in your studio, try different clothes designs on it, and even see how the fabric moves around it, as if it was actually real, all while still being aware of and interacting with your real workspace.
Or consider a group of architects. They could stand around a physical table and can see the virtual model of their building right in front of them. They can discuss and make changes in real time and even take a walk around it as if it were a real object on the table.
These are just examples that highlight how MR is not just an intersection but the fusion of AR and VR. It combines the best aspects of both to create experiences that were once thought impossible.
It's this boundless potential that makes mixed reality not just a step forward, but a leap into a new era of human interaction, learning, and exploration.
Absolutely, Ivy. And we're just scratching the surface. Our upcoming 101 series will delve into each of these use cases in detail, exploring how MR is reshaping our world.
If you're as excited about this journey into mixed reality as we are, hold on, we have got something special for you.
Join our Discord community. It's a place for anyone passionate about immersive media. Connect with others, exploring the endless possibilities of MR, AR, and VR.
And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We have got a lot in store for you, from MR use cases to the latest developments in immersive technology.
Thank you for tuning in.
Bye bye.